Hi friends, welcome to this channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can disable the timer in Snapchat app. Please subscribe to our channel, write your comments at the end of the video, put likes. Let us get started with you. First of all, open up the Snapchat app. Now I'm going to show you how you can both turn the timer on and off. And to do that, on the right side, you can see these different menus with different signs. And you have to click on the last one, the plus sign. And then scroll down. And here you'll see a section called Timer. And if you click on that, as you can see, you've got the timer on for 3 seconds. And if you click on the camera, it's going to go back and take a picture. If you want to turn the timer off because you're fed up with it, you press the plus button. You scroll down. And when you get to the timer, you press the cross against the word timer. And then cancel. So as you could see, I have disabled the timer in the Snapchat app. Friends, I hope this video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to put your likes, write your comments. See you later.